How's it going, everyone? I hope you are all good. So, I just want to talk about Twitter stock. There is some news around it, and we just need to prepare ourselves if the stock didn't get the deal that Elon Musk is offering. So, going to this article, we're gonna read it and we're gonna try to summary make a summary of it. So Musk swoops on Twitter with a 31 not 31, there's a mistake on the website. Actually, it is like 43 or 41 billion takeover bid, and he's saying that he is hinting actually and saying he might dump his 9.2 stake if the best and final offer is not accepted. So the richest man on the planet is saying that he is gonna dump his stake if Twitter CEO and the board didn't accept the deal. So over here we are having a timeline of what is happening for the previous 2 months. On February 10th, the final results for Twitter were disappointment, and on April, just 2 months later, we are here on April, and Musk is taking stake. The stock gapped up significantly, okay, and on April 11th, Elon Musk rejected a board seat, and on just like 3 days after 11/12, on April 14th, Musk makes a 43 billion offer to take this giant social media privately. Okay, the world richest man is saying that he is the right person to unlock the social media platform extraordinary potential. The move would transform the tech entrepreneur into a social media baron, able to set the future direction of a platform where he has over 80 million followers on Twitter, and in which he has used to pursue personal and ventate and promote his agenda. As we saw previously, he was promoting also Bitcoin, and he promoted Dogecoin, and we saw on Wall Street back in the day. And he's sent a letter to chairman of Twitter. Musk set out his reason for the offer, and he said, "I invested in Twitter as I believe in its potential to be the platform for free speech, and I believe free speech is a social imperative for functioning democracy. However, since making my investment, I now realize the company will neither thrive nor serve this societal imperative in its current form. Twitter needs to be transformed as a private company." But he hinted that he could walk away if the deal fell through. He added, "My offer is my best and final offer, and if it is not accepted, I would need to reconsider my position as a shareholder." This is, in another word, we can say, okay, if you didn't accept my offer, I'm gonna just like walk away. What's gonna happen after this? If Elon Musk reconsidered his position in Twitter, what is gonna happen for the stock is, I think, we see the stock was traded after the news, after the 9% stake for Elon Musk, traded around this level, right? We are having a support level, a nice support level, about 3 contact points, 1, 2, 3. We are near over here, and also a support level from this side, right? We're gonna draw it as it is like a channel. We're gonna say a channel, right? It is a channel from this side. And what is gonna happen if he said, "Okay, I'm over it. I'm not anymore a shareholder on Twitter," is as the stock is gonna get back to its previous level, meaning that maybe it's gonna get back to this level. And the second scenario, maybe the stock is gonna tumble down even more from this previous level, right? It's gonna maybe try the first scenario is gonna maybe get back to this level, which is the level of 39. The second scenario, which is the worst scenario, I think, is gonna dump more and gonna be traded around this level. So continuing to this article, the shares in New York initially slot higher by more than 5% when the news of the offer was made public, but fell back later in the session to finish down 1% at 45.30. We are seeing here just a bearish trend, and the reason that is the shares fell after analytics said the move was hostile and questioned whether Elon Musk would be able to push the deal through or not. Okay, scrolling down, we're gonna see if the deal was pushed through here. There are also questions marks over whether Twitter's chief CEO Barga, this is like an Indian American guy CEO, would stay or not. Maybe the stock is gonna the CEO of this company is gonna change because he has going in some talk with Elon Musk. The 37 CEO who took over in November has a history with Elon Musk. In December, Musk compared Agrawal to Joseph Stalin, superimposing his face on a famous photo of the Soviet dictator over his approach for free speech. Agrawal hit back over Musk's decision to decline a seat on Twitter firm's board earlier this week. He referred to Musk as a distraction, telling Twitter's supporters to tune out the noise and focus on the social media giant. And on TD conference, Elon Musk saying, "I'm not sure that I will actually be able to acquire it or not." Okay, and he added at the conference that he had a plan B if the bid was not successful, although he did not, talk further about a plan B or something of a kind. So you can go through this article, the entire article, read it. It is good and useful for you if you are an investor in Twitter stock. So yeah, prepare for the worst and prepare for the good things as well. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Until the next time, see you next, guys.